Install the bumper on a lifted car. If you're building a lifted car with no optional light bar, install the factory bumper now. First, install the bumper brackets onto the chassis. The angle bracket goes on top of the chassis with the step facing down. The flat bracket goes below. The bumper bracket sides with holes closest to the edge install onto the chassis. Use the provided 1/4 by 3 3/4 inch hex bolts, washers, and nylock nuts to fasten but not tighten the bumper brackets to the chassis to allow a little wiggle room for the bumper installation. Next, insert the factory bumper with the block spacers between the two brackets and align the holes for fastening. Use the provided 5/16 by 3 1/2 inch hex bolts, washer, and nylock nuts to fasten the bumper to the brackets. Fasten the hardware on the chassis as well. DoubleTake, because looks matter.